Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to turn on switch control in iPhone. So if you have limited mobility or you are restricted with movement and you still want to control your iPhone without using the voice command, you can just turn on switch control to control your iPhone. So basically here, I am going to walk you around with how you can easily turn on or enable switch control on any iPhone. So if I don't know this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to enable or turn on switch control on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down. Just scroll down the page until you get to accessibility and click on it. Now, once you selected accessibility, scroll down the page until you get to switch control under physical and motor. Click on that. Then here is your switch control. Go ahead and turn on switch control. Then once you turn on switch control, you'll be able to control your phone using the switch control feature if you are restricted with movement. So if you want to turn it off again, just repeat the process and then toggle this off. And then choose the button that says, are you sure you want to turn off switch control? Just tap yes. Then the switch control will be turned off. So that is basically how you can easily turn on switch control in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.